In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place an order on AliExpress without paying. 2025. By the end, you'll know how to create an order that sits in awaiting payment so you can confirm details with the seller or come back and pay later without being charged upfront. Start by opening the AliExpress app or website and signing into your account. Make sure your region and currency are correct so prices and shipping options display accurately. Being logged in is important because the order will be saved to your account even if you don't complete payment right away. Next, search for the item you want. Open the product page you're interested in and carefully choose the color, size, quantity, and any other variations offered. Double check stock availability and review the store's ratings and the item description to avoid surprises later. When you're ready, tap Buy Now. This is key. If you simply add the item to your cart, it won't create an unpaid order. Buy Now moves you into the checkout flow where you can generate an order without paying. On the checkout screen, confirm your shipping address. Make sure the name, street, city, postal code, and phone number are accurate and formatted correctly for your country. Small mistakes here can cause delivery issues or order cancellations, so it's worth a quick review. Choose your preferred shipping method next. Compare delivery estimates and cost, and pick the option that best balances speed and price for you. Keep in mind that delivery windows are estimates and can vary by location and carrier. Proceed to the payment page and select a payment method, but do not complete the payment. You're simply indicating how you plan to pay later. You won't be charged at this stage. Now tap Place Order. If this option is available for the product and your region, AliExpress will create the order and mark it as awaiting payment. No funds are deducted, and you'll see the order listed in your account with that status. You can return to it later to finalize payment when you're ready. Note that some sellers or items may require immediate payment. In those cases, you won't see the unpaid option. Also, unpaid orders typically expire after a short window if you don't pay, and prices, coupons, and stock can change over time. That's it. Sign in, choose your item and variations, use Buy Now, confirm your address, pick shipping, go to payment without paying, and place the order so it's saved as awaiting payment. Thanks for watching, and take a moment to verify each detail so the order is ready when you are.